Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I woke up today morning and this is what I see. See the driveway condition and even the road condition slightly over there. It's everywhere full of snow, right? And definitely I have tough task ahead to do. Okay. See even the tree also snow fully covered and falling too. So if you come to Canada, you have to brace yourself for this. But yeah, I'm gonna walk you through how you can clean the snow because it's your responsibility. Especially walkways, you have to clean, and if you are a homeowner, you have to do it for your tenant also. Okay, unless it's an exclusive space for your tenant. Okay. So what you need shovel and put cover your leg. Have proper protection like gloves you need, and also you need. Like thick jacket you should have, and then we are gonna start. Now snow was yesterday night and temperature is still around 1 or 0, so that's why you see some small amount of snow is melting too. So this is the perfect time to do. Okay, now two areas that I'm gonna clean. One is on concrete and one is on asphalt. Okay, so for concrete you should have, like, I would recommend buying a wide shovel. This is of Garant brand, that's good. So first I'm gonna put snow and first I'm gonna take the snow out, and then I'm gonna put salt on it. Okay, to remove ice if there's any formed. So like hold it tight, and from bottom you do it. You see ice has formed there slightly, so you may need to do multiple runs and then push it. Okay, now I'm gonna do it more. So clean the layers first. Okay, as you can see, I'm doing it. This area is saved because my tenant's car was parked there yesterday night. That's why in there has been no snow. But for others, still have to do, and it's really too much of it. Okay, so first we are gonna do this. You see, now this is the time. Do multiple times, like try to do as much you can, and again, like your body posture is important. Try to stand slightly bent, because if you bend too much it may cause you back pain. But again, check with your physiotherapist or chiropractor, because every body is different. I just told you what I go through. Okay, now I'm gonna clean the walkway. That's the mandatory, because it's the city bylaw that I must do it. There's no way I can avoid doing it. Oh my god, sometimes it's hard to distinguish. Okay, so first try to find out the area. See, I'm trying to find it. This is curb here, and this is the walkway. It goes all the way to here. First find out the area, and then you can expand it to cover all. It's literally too much, guys. So guys, it's now time for salting. Especially in this high water area, it's very important that you do salting, because this is gonna turn into ice, okay, after some time. So this is the concrete surface. You have to do it so that ice does not form, and moreover, like sometimes water falls from your roof, and if you don't salt these areas, again ice will be formed over here, where that could be dangerous, especially walking at night. Even for asphalt surface like this, you need to put some salt. These are specialized salts that are gonna work, so that this also melts with time. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.